Dear Mr. Marko Lotric, dear Minister and dear friend Alexander Jevcek, dear participants in this consultation organized by the National Council of the Republic of Slovenia, thank you for the opportunity to address this gathering. It's a very important one. And as Europe and the world makes the shift towards a greener, more sustainable economy, the European Commission is committed to ensuring that, in fact, in reality, and not only in words, no one is left behind. And 5 years ago, the Commission proposed the Just Transition Fund, and together with it, the public sector loan facility, setting in motion an ambitious journey. And today we see that the journey unfolding, this journey is unfolding into real, meaningful change. Real change on the ground. And that is very, very important and very good. From the outset, it has been my belief that a fair and inclusive transition depends on the active involvement of every stakeholder. Stakeholders at the national, at the regional, at the local level, from the public sector to the private sector, in each of the stages of the process, from the phase of planning to policy development, going into implementation and to monitoring. And today's event is a testament to that commitment. It is inspiring to see mayors, national councillors, representatives of the workers, trade unions, companies, experts, NGOs, all gathered to discuss the future of the region, and very special regions that are most affected by this green transition objective and need. And this inclusive approach is, in fact, the only, I was going to say the best way, but it is the only way to build future, together with every voice at the table. Our just transition regions, and they are almost 100, from industrial hubs to coal-reliant communities, have a strong identity, and they all have an active civic engagement. And in fact, I've been traveling, as you know, a lot, and I have witnessed this personally in the many visits and speaking with young people, with trade unions, with all the actors on the ground. And overall, also here, including here in Slovenia, I recognize tightly knit and proud communities, yet also caring, understandable concerns about their future and on the right way to shape it. Today, I want to reassure you that Europe is by your side. You are not alone. The Just Transition mechanism was set up to help communities not just to adapt, but to thrive, to empower them and to create a future where every citizen has the choice to stay, is not forced to go away. He has the choice to stay, to work, to live wherever they choose, with access to good jobs, to quality public services, and to a good life. And we see change taking root. In Slovenia, 258 million euros from the Just Transition Fund are supporting the Zasavie and Sasha regions, enabling job creation, skills development, economic diversification, energy restructuring, and in a way, revitalization, everything that we can do for degraded areas. Projects such as the Center for Demonstration and Training in Zero Carbon Technologies in Zasavie, or the decarbonization of district heating, like we are supporting in Sasha, are prime examples of how this transformation is in reality taking shape. And this is what matters. This journey has only just begun. Your continued engagement, along with the commitment of the broader community, will be key for its success. The building blocks are already in place. Funding, projects and community engagement, Slovenia's Just Transition regions are active members also of the Just Transition platform and of the knowledge and exchange programs with other Just Transition regions across Europe. And Slovenia's Just Transition centers, which coordinate local and regional activities with the involvement of all stakeholders, are examples of good practices also for other regions and countries. So I am very optimistic about the future. You are on the right path and you are not alone in this journey. So I hope you continue to draw on the shared knowledge of this community of practice, leveraging the expertise and the support mechanisms available to you, and let your aspirations and ideas bring about a tangible transformation across your regions, villages, towns, cities. So I wish you a productive day of discussions that will help building a prosperous future for your regions and for Europe, of course. Thank you so much. Thank you.